Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're in the model of the Ashton. We've seen this before, but now we've got a beautiful new camera to film it with, so I'm excited to show this off to you. This is a beautiful model, so let's start we're gonna kind of take this hallway, and this leads us into the living room and kitchen. It's a really pretty model. I've always loved this beautiful model. It's just gorgeous. Look at it's just a perfect area for having people over, relaxing, enjoying the day. You can do so much with this room. Let's describe it just a little bit. You've got a beautiful balcony. You can step outside and see some fantastic views. The way they've set this up here is also really cool. I love it. It's got a couch and chairs that are fun. They have set this up so you have a table too. So you're actually have the views and the tables so you can kind of work from here if you want. And then here is the kitchen area. You could put probably 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 bar stools under there. So you've got so much seating. You've got really, you could have 12 people over here pretty easily and really have a blast. It looks great in here. It's probably about 11 or 12 feet tall, and it's got a little bit of a loft feel. You can kind of see the loft. This is what the kitchen looks like. It's really cute appliances, nice appliances, and you do have these beautiful Maytag, but also KitchenAid. There's a KitchenAid appliance there too. This is a really long area, countertop area. There's just a lot of storage here. It's great. There's even a wine rack. That's pretty cool. I like seeing that. So this is what it looks like here in the model, in the living room, in the kitchen. Hey, let's step outside. Let's do a quick video and we can just kind of talk about the area. The area is just phenomenal. So let's talk about it and see why, maybe why you'd want to be in the area, not just this beautiful apartment, but why you'd want to be in the area. Let's go do that right now. Hey, if you have questions about anything you're seeing at any time, or if you're ready to take a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. I'd recommend starting with a virtual tour. That's a good way to start here, and we can take that virtual tour almost any time, and it would be live, or we could do a live in-person tour as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go outside, and let's go to the next video.